Okay, here's how you set up your streaming account. So wherever you want to stream to, you can go to settings and you'll click on stream. And here's where you put in your account information. You drop this down. You can see you've got a bunch of different ones here. You've got Restream, Twitter, Periscope, YouTube, Facebook Live, or you can do custom. And I'm going to show you where you get this information if you don't already know. So we're going to try YouTube first. And notice YouTube already has the server ingestion selected. All we have to get is our stream key. So we're going to come over to YouTube and we're going to click create and we're going to click go live. Now when you do, the easiest way to get it if you don't have it yet is just to click over here to stream and dismiss this, but we're going to create a stream here. So I'm just going to name this test. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to put it private so nobody jumps in here. Set all your things. You can upload a custom email thumbnail if you want. You can schedule for later. None of that matters. This is setting up actual events. What we want is the account information. So I'm going to click create stream. And when it loads, you're going to see over here that it says this is your stream settings. So it's got the stream URL, which are the ingestion servers. You can select some advanced settings here, but this is your stream key. You do not want anyone to see it, and you can leave it hidden like that. All you have to do is click copy right here, and it's going to copy it to your clipboard. And then you're going to come back into OBS, and you're just going to highlight it, and you're going to click paste. And that's all you do. Then you click OK. And it's done. If you're going to do it in Facebook, I'm going to come back into settings, click stream. I'm going to come over to Facebook, my Facebook page here, and I'm going to click go live. And once it gets loaded here, you can see that it says I can use a camera, I can use a paired encoder, whatever, but I can use a stream key. So down here is the server URL. You shouldn't have to have that. All you should have to have is the stream key, which I'm going to have to black out because they don't hide it. All you have to do is click copy and you come back into here, switch down to Facebook Live, server's default, and you just paste it in right there. And that's your stream key that you get from Facebook. If you want to multi-stream, which is streaming to multiple platforms. If you want to go to Facebook and YouTube at the same time, you're not able to do that without a restreamer, which is great because it requires not as much bandwidth as most churches can't afford the internet that it would take to stream to multiple platforms at a time. So if you use Restream, there's multiple platforms that do this, but if you use Restream, all you have to do is come in here and you can add your Facebook page, add channel. You can use YouTube, a bunch of different platforms that they'll stream to. And then they give you streaming settings here and another stream key. So you can copy that and you can come back into OBS and you can pick Restream. And it's auto detecting the server, or you can set it to whichever one is closer to you. And you paste your key in there. And when you start streaming, I'm going to just show you this real quick. So we're saying we want to go to Restream right there. So I'm going to apply this, click OK, and I'm going to click Start Streaming. I'm only streaming to Restream right now, so it's going to pop up here in just a second. Looks like I have my settings set for 1280 by 720, and you can see it is now streaming here. If I transition over here to my countdown, you're going to see that it's going to change here pretty quickly. And so I can make sure that all of my stream is actually working really well and everything like that. When I want to go live, I'll actually toggle these on, and you can leave them toggled on if you want so that once the stream actually starts, it automatically connects. But that's how you would use Restream. But that's how you plug in your settings here for wherever you want to stream.